Hey there, fellow travelers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an incredible journey to Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat, often hailed as one of the wonders of the ancient world, is a temple complex located in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Situated amidst lush greenery and surrounded by a moat, this magnificent structure is an embodiment of Khmer architecture and history. The temple complex covers an area of approximately 402 acres and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The construction of Angkor Wat began in the early 12th century during the reign of King Suryavarman II and was originally dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu. However, over time, it transformed into a Buddhist temple. The exact purpose of Angkor Wat's construction remains a subject of debate among historians. It is believed that it served as a mausoleum for the king or as the center of the capital city of the Khmer Empire. Angkor Wat played a significant role in the rise and fall of the Khmer Empire. At its peak, the empire stretched across much of modern-day Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand. The empire's prosperity was fueled by its advanced agricultural systems and trade networks. However, various factors, including internal conflict and outside invasions, led to the decline of the empire. Angkor Wat symbolizes the grandeur and cultural heritage of the Khmer people. It is a testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of the ancient Khmer civilization. Angkor Wat serves as a symbol of national pride and identity for the people of Cambodia, and its depiction on the national flag is a testimony to its significance. Angkor Wat's architectural design is a blend of intricate details and majestic proportions. The temple complex is organized in a series of concentric galleries and towers, creating a harmonious balance. The central tower, surrounded by four smaller towers, represents the mythical Mount Meru, the home of the gods in Hindu mythology. Angkor Wat showcases a plethora of unique architectural features. Its extensive bas-reliefs, depicting scenes from ancient mythology and historical events, are truly awe-inspiring. The complex also boasts a sophisticated water management system, including canals and reservoirs, which facilitated irrigation and sustained the agricultural needs of the empire. The heart of Angkor Wat is the central sanctuary and tower, where visitors can witness the architectural masterpiece up close. Climbing the steep stairs to the top offers a panoramic view of the surrounding temples and lush landscape, making it a sight to behold. The galleries of Angkor Wat are adorned with intricate bas-reliefs and carvings that depict various stories and historical events. Exploring these galleries is like stepping into a living history book, where every stone whispers tales of the past. Beyond the central sanctuary, the sprawling temple complex of Angkor Wat is dotted with numerous other temples and structures. From the enigmatic faces of Bayon Temple to the overgrown ruins of Ta Prohm, each area offers a unique glimpse into the ancient Khmer civilization. So, if you're an avid history buff or simply looking to marvel at the architectural wonders of the world, a visit to Angkor Wat should definitely be on your bucket list. Angkor Wat is not just a magnificent temple complex, it holds immense cultural and religious significance. Let's explore its fascinating history and the influences that shaped it. Originally built as a Hindu temple in the 12th century, Angkor Wat reflects the Khmer people's religious beliefs. It was dedicated to the Hindu deity Vishnu, and its architecture and intricate carvings depict Hindu mythological stories. The temple's layout, with its 5 towers representing Mount Meru, the mythical home of the gods, showcases the profound influence of Hindu cosmology on its design. Over time, Angkor Wat underwent a transformation. As the Khmer Empire embraced Buddhism, the temple was gradually converted into a Buddhist site. The shift from Hinduism to Buddhism is evident in the addition of Buddhist symbols and sculptures within the complex. This religious evolution gives Angkor Wat a unique blend of both Hindu and Buddhist elements. Angkor Wat continues to be a place of religious devotion and celebration. The temple complex attracts pilgrims and monks who engage in various rituals and ceremonies. Festivals like the Cambodian New Year and Visak Bochia, which commemorates Buddha's birth, enlightenment, and death, are celebrated with great fervor at Angkor Wat. These rituals and festivals showcase the living religious traditions that are still deeply rooted in this ancient site. Preserving a site as vast and iconic as Angkor Wat comes with its fair share of challenges. Let's take a look at some of the obstacles faced in its conservation. Angkor Wat's location in the Cambodian jungle exposes it to various environmental factors. The humid climate, rainfall, and vegetation pose a threat to the temple's structural stability. Additionally, factors like erosion, heat, and humidity contribute to the deterioration of the intricate carvings and bas-reliefs. Balancing environmental preservation with ensuring visitor access is a constant challenge. As one of the most visited tourist attractions in Southeast Asia, Angkor Wat faces the impact of mass tourism. The high volume of visitors can lead to physical damage to the temple's delicate structures. Footfall, increased moisture, and human interaction can gradually degrade the site. Striking a balance between the economic benefits of tourism and protecting the monument is a delicate task. Despite the challenges, extensive restoration efforts and conservation measures are in place to safeguard Angkor Wat. Collaborative initiatives involving local and international organizations focus on structural stabilization, conservation of sculptures, and site management. These efforts aim to preserve the integrity and authenticity of the site for future generations to appreciate. The popularity of Angkor Wat among travelers has soared in recent years. While tourism brings numerous benefits, it also poses certain challenges for the preservation of this historical site. Angkor Wat has experienced a significant increase in tourist arrivals over the years. The allure of its awe-inspiring architecture and rich history has put it on the bucket lists of many travelers. The growing accessibility and improved infrastructure further contribute to the surge in tourism. Tourism has brought economic benefits to the local community and generated employment opportunities. However, the sheer number of visitors and associated activities can impact the site's fragile ecosystem, add stress to infrastructure, and strain limited resources. Uncontrolled tourism can also diminish the authentic experience and sacredness of Angkor Wat. Maintaining the delicate balance between conserving Angkor Wat and offering a fulfilling visitor experience is crucial. Implementing sustainable tourism practices, such as managing visitor numbers, promoting responsible behavior, and educating tourists about the site's significance, can help mitigate the negative impacts of tourism. Striving for a harmonious coexistence between preservation and tourism is key for the long-term sustainability of Angkor Wat. Ensuring the long-term sustainability of Angkor Wat requires proactive measures and a dedicated approach to conservation. Let's explore some key aspects that contribute to the future prospects of this iconic site. The preservation and maintenance of Angkor Wat will remain a significant challenge. Ongoing efforts need to focus on structural stability, restoration of damaged elements, and conservation of invaluable artworks. Adequate funding, skilled personnel, and technological advancements will play crucial roles in overcoming these challenges. Encouraging sustainable tourism practices is essential for the future of Angkor Wat. This includes managing visitor numbers, promoting eco-friendly transportation, and implementing responsible tourism guidelines. By balancing conservation with the economic benefits of tourism, the site can preserve its integrity while also benefiting the local community. Cultural and educational initiatives play a vital role in raising awareness about Angkor Wat's significance and fostering a sense of stewardship among visitors. Providing interpretive centers, informative signage, and educational programs can enhance visitors' understanding of the site's historical and cultural value. Engaging with the local community to promote cultural pride and participation further strengthens the sustainability of Angkor Wat. In conclusion, Angkor Wat's cultural and religious significance, preservation challenges, tourism impact, and future prospects weave together to create a complex narrative. By adopting a holistic approach that balances preservation, responsible tourism, and educational initiatives, we can safeguard this awe-inspiring monument for generations to come. In conclusion, Angkor Wat is a true marvel that captivates visitors from all corners of the globe. Its historical significance, intricate architecture, and cultural importance make it a treasure worth preserving and cherishing. However, as Angkor Wat faces various challenges, it is crucial to find a delicate balance between conservation and responsible tourism. By adopting sustainable practices and promoting cultural understanding, we can ensure that future generations will continue to be inspired by the majesty and splendor of this remarkable site. Let us appreciate and protect Angkor Wat as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of the Khmer civilization. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Angkor Wat and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this city in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.